Hi and welcome to another episode of Mike's Investing. So I have another great video for your listening pleasure. All right, so today we're going to talk about gold and silver and why it's been dropping over the last 4 sessions. It's actually been dropping for a little bit now, so we'll get into that. So today is August 31st, 2022. Before we get started, if you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, leave a comment. And also, everything that's contained in my videos is for educational purposes only. I am not licensed to sell investments, nor am I a sophisticated investor, so please use this for educational purposes only. So the topic today is, why is gold and silver going down in price? Well, you need to look at, I'm going to go over the one main reason, which is because the dollar is getting stronger against the basket of currencies that is weighed against. So why is that happening? Well, the dollar is strengthening because the Federal Reserve is raising the Fed rate. Now, the Fed rate impacts everything from car loan interest rates, mortgage interest rates, student loan interest rates. It's all impacted by the Fed rate. So as the Federal Reserve raises that rate, it does slow down the economy, and it also tightens the money supply, which by doing that makes the dollar stronger, and gold and silver, since they're inverse, weaker. Now, that doesn't mean gold and silver is a bad investment. I think gold and silver is a great investment. But with all investments, timing is important. So for the next little bit, and there's no way for me to know how long that this is going to be. No one knows how to judge a bottom or a top or anything else. It's just a best guess. But for the time being, I think that gold and silver are going to continue to weaken as the dollar gets stronger. This will continue as long as the Federal Reserve is tightening the money supply by increasing the interest rates. Now, the Federal Reserve has some problems because it has a dual mandate. So not only does it have to keep inflation down, but it has to keep unemployment down as well. And unemployment is slowly going to start to tick up. Plus, the government debt continues to go up in cost as the interest rates go up. So, as you probably know, the government is not able to bring in enough money to support itself. So it sells that debt instead of raising additional taxes. And by doing that, someone has to purchase that debt. So as the interest rates go up, so is that cost of that debt. So Federal Reserve's in a tight spot. They need to cool inflation. They need to keep unemployment at its target rate. But also you have the federal government that needs to keep interest rates under control, so that debt that the United States has does not eat up too much of the budget. All right, so what do I see in the future? So I see it going down temporarily, but I do see gold and silver going up quite a bit in the future. I think this will start happening once the Federal Reserve gets closer to the end of the tightening. And then once they pivot and start lowering interest rate, we're really going to see an increase in gold and silver. So I think it's really good to buy it right now. I think it's a good investment. It'll probably be a little bit better in the short term as it goes down in price. But I think it's going to be hard to tell where the bottom's at. And I think from there, it will start going up. So if you like my content, please like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts, and let me know any recommended topics that you would like to go over. Once again, thank you for watching Mike's Investing.